What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making pancakes. So, cheers and let's cook. We're going to start by mixing up our dry ingredients. I'm going to go into a bowl with 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then we'll just whisk all that together. And now we can set that to the side. Next, we're going to mix up our wet ingredients. I have 1 cup of room temperature milk. You can let that sit out, or you can just microwave it for about 30 seconds. 1 egg. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then we'll just whip all that together. Make sure that egg's nice and whipped. That's ready to go. Now I'm going to pour my wet ingredients into my dry. Now I'm going to mix that up until it just comes together. You don't want to over mix it. It should still be a little bit lumpy. We'll just get that mixed up. Got that mixed together nicely. Still a little lumpy, but I don't see any dry flour left. So we are ready to head to the stove. At the stove, I got my pan heating up for medium-high heat. I'll go in with a pat of butter. We'll let that butter melt. Our butter is melted. I'll go ahead and ladle in my pancake batter. Now we'll just let that first side cook until we got some bubbles popping up throughout that pancake. We've already started a little bit. We got some bubbles going around all over the pancake, so it is time to flip. I'll just finish cooking that pancake on the second side, and then we'll start our next one. Our second pancake is done. I got about enough batter to make 1 more pancake, so I'm going to get that in, cook that up, and it'll be time to eat. We have some beautiful fluffy pancakes here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.